Rice water for hair is a great way to take your hair care regime to another level. And there are studies which show that rice water for hair will help your hair become healthier, shinier, and make them really strong. And that is what we will be going to talk about in this video today. I'm going to talk about how to make rice water for hair and how to use it in your daily hair care regime. Before we get started, hi guys, I'm Chitranshi. Welcome to my channel. If you like hair care related videos and other beauty and skincare related videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot to me and I hope I'll be able to help you out. Let's get started. Before we talk about the rice water in detail, I will just tell you how to prepare the rice water right away, and then we can discuss the details, the benefits, and how to use it in your hair care regime. So you have to take a big bowl of rice. It has to be white rice. Make sure it's white rice, and then you have to take one airtight container. So I am using this airtight container from Trio. I've got this from Amazon. It's a set of 3 containers. I'm going to link it down in the description box below if in case you want to check them out or buy it. Add this rice to your airtight container and then we will be filling it up with water. Make sure that the container is up to 3/4 full with water, and then just stir it up, this water and rice mixture, for a minute or 2. This will make sure that all the nutrients from rice are released in this water so that this rice water is even more beneficial. Now close the lid of this airtight container and we will keep it overnight. We will be using fermented rice water for our hair because that is much beneficial than the normal rice water. It will help rice release all the nutrients overnight, and this rice water will be quite potent if you use it for your hair fall, for your hair growth and whatnot. We'll be keeping it overnight. Fast forward 24 hours. This is my rice water bowl. Now I'm just quickly mixing it up so that if whatever residue has settled down for the rice water, it mixes up in the water. And now you have to take one spray bottle. I am using a leftover Colon bottle which was available. Spray bottle because it will help the rice water easily spread in my hair. If you do not have any spray bottle, do not worry. So I'm basically pouring all the rice water in this spray bottle now so that it is ready for use. This water you can store it in your fridge for close to 5-6 days. And guys, do not worry, the water will smell a little stinky. It smells a little funny. If you do not like the smell, add any essential oil to it, or you can add orange peels to it. So regular use of rice water has a lot of benefits for your hair. It will make your hair dandruff free. It will increase the hair growth, basically it boosts your hair growth. It will reduce the hair fall, and overall it will make your hair look really better. So rice water is really rich in all sort of nutrients and vitamins, especially vitamin B and vitamin C. Rice water that you have prepared also contain the elements like potassium, iodine, magnesium, zinc, and a lot of fiber. So now there are multiple ways of using the rice water which you have prepared. You can either use it for rice water rinse, which basically means you will shampoo your hair, you will conditioner it, and then the last thing which you put in your hair is rice water. It will help you to retain your frizz. It will help you out with frizz and it will make your hair really manageable. And then there's a second way to use this rice water which I will be doing in this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and I will liberally spray the rice water in my scalp, in the root of hair, and till they are properly absorbed, I am just going to massage it all over my head. This is what I am doing because I want the rice water and its goodness to get absorbed by my scalp and then provide me the results. So I am someone who is looking for hair growth boost. If you have same goals, and do it similar way. So when you apply this rice water to your hair, it will basically nourish your hair follicles and it will repair the damaged cells. And also due to the fact that rice water has a lot of antioxidant properties, it will help you get rid of the toxins which would have been accumulated on your scalp, which eventually results in premature graying. So basically rice water will help you out with the premature graying if that's one issue which you face. I generally prefer doing this method 20 to half an hour before my hair wash because this actually helps me out and I have seen the results, guys. It makes me, it makes my hair really soft and really smooth. Also on this note, I would like to tell you that I am in process of shooting another video wherein I will put rice water on my hair for like 5 days and I will tell you my whole experience. I basically am going to document my experience each day, and at the end of 5 days I will tell you what exactly I feel about rice water. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will link it here if in case that is already out. If not, then please subscribe to the channel and you can actually get notified whenever that video is out. Rice water also contains inositol, which is great for strengthening your hair. It helps with the treatment of hair loss. So if you're someone who is seeing, premature losing of hair, if you see a receding hairline, then you should definitely give rice water a try. And then I think you can let me know your results in the comments below. So I will make sure that the rice water which I apply is properly massaged on my scalp. It is absorbed, and with this massage I am going to nourish my hair. I'm going to improve, basically I'm going to trigger the blood flow, which will again add to the benefits of hair growth, which will result in hair growth. So that's what I do, and as I told you, I do it 20 minutes prior to my shampoo, and this gives amazing results. On that note, I would like to tell you that I've also done a video on rice water for face, like for skin. That I'm going to link right here. It's already out. Rice water is great for skin also. It helps in pore tightening, skin nourishment and all of that. So you can watch that video for more details about rice water for skin, and we will end this video right here. One more detail here, guys, that rice water has a lot of benefits, but a lot of people have reported that it has made their hair turned a little bit dry. So do not overdo anything in your hair, and I am a little dry hair type, so I will be documenting my experience in the different video. You can watch that. But make sure that you do something which works out for you. It's not necessary that if I am putting rice water every day on my hair, it will suit you also. So give this one a try and use it the way it suits your hair type. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if I would have been a little bit of help to you, please consider subscribing to the channel. I keep making content which I think will help you out, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, I am available on Instagram. Come say hi to me on Instagram. It's chitranshi.me. And please make sure that before you leave, at least like this video, press the thumbs up icon. This will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you again. Bye for now.